Hello, good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I've not posted a video, but today um, I'm going to georeference a map in QGIS. So, for example, if you have a map in form of a PDF, a Word document, or a PNG, JPEG, you can, and you want to use it on QGIS, you can always georeference it first so that you can be able to work on QGIS. So the first thing is after having your your map. So I have my map here. You take it to paint. So here what I did, I had my map in form of a PDF. Then I snipped using a snipping tool. I hope you're familiar with the snipping tool. Some moment I get the snipping tool right here. So this is the tool that I use for snipping my map from the PDF. Now when you take it to paint, we need to draw 4 lines. That is to identify, it's like to have a grid on your map. So if your map does not have grids, it's just empty as mine, you come here and you draw the 4 lines using paint. So I drew the three lines, these here and here. So I'm just going to draw the fourth one and I'm going to draw it down here. So here you can select the size of the line that you want, and you can also make it as faint as possible, not to be such bold. So here I have my line here, make it there. I got my 4 lines there. So after that, I'm going to save the map in form of a PNG picture. So there, and I'll save it on my desktop. Let me call it georeferencing map. There, I save it. So after that, I come to my map is saved here. I come to my QGIS. So now we want to start georeferencing. So to georeference, we come here at the menu. We have the raster. So we click on the raster. Then we see the georeferencing icon. We click on it there. Then it opens this blank page. So we are going to load our map from where we had stored it from the desktop. So we come to file, we open raster, then we search where we have our map. Here it is, georeferencing, and we open it. So then after that we need to check if the coordinate referencing system is the correct one used. So here to select the CRS, we use this one, all geodesic system here, 84, and you say okay. So here we have a map. So we will start referencing. What I'm going to do is, for you to georeference, you need like to take the points, the east and the north, east things and the north things, that is the x and the y. Then you pick for all the four points. So that's the reason why we drew the line, so that we can get, when I put my cursor here, I'm going to get the points for that specific area, which gives me my x and my y. So for the x, I have the x coordinate is 196,000 and for the y is 99,08,000. Say okay, then you go to the next point here. So my x is 208,000, my y is the same 99,08,000. Okay, then here I have 208,000 and my y now becomes 98,96,000. Okay, then down here I have my x is 196,000 and my y is 96,000. Then okay, so from there now we start georeferencing. We have this icon here, backup play. This pop-up menu, you have to select the transformation parameters. So here for the transformation parameter, the thing you select here is the transformation type is linear, then the resampling method is nearest neighbor, then the target is SRS. May use that one here. Then after that, you make sure that you say load to QGIS when you are done. Then you say okay. So it's georeferencing. It should tell us that it is finished. I think it has done so, and it should be able to appear on the QGIS. It's not yet. So yeah, it has successfully georeferenced. So it should appear in QGIS because we marked to load on the QGIS once it's done. So here you have our map. So when it is in QGIS now, you can be able to play around with it the way you want, just knowing that all the coordinates are as they should be, like they have been identified. So for example, we say you have this map and you had done some survey. So you have maybe your gravity data, you have your resistivity data, and you want to load it on your map. Like you have the stations with the eastings and the northings, and you want to load them on your map. So what you do is, for example, I have my data here in Excel. Minute it opens. So I had some stations and some data, as it can be seen here. So easting, northing, and then the station. So I want to load this data in my map. So what I'm going to do is, you cannot load the data the form that the way it is here. You need, it is now in Excel form, so we need to convert it to a CSV format. So you come here to save as. So I'm just going to save it to desktop. So instead of that as Excel format, I'm going to use CSV format. That is comma delimited there. Then you say save. So it has been saved as that. I'm very sure it is on here, this one here. So when you come to your map, the only thing that you're going to do is now let me close that one, just to save those ones. So you come to on your QGIS, you go to adding. So when you want to load a map or anything you load raster data or any form you have if it's the vector data, but in our case we have the delimited text. That is what you are going to load. Then we specify the file location. So on our desktop, I believe it's that one. Yeah. So you have a station name, the eastings and the northing and the elevation. So after that, CSR must be, CRS must be selected. Let me see. Yeah, you make sure that you specify the geometry CRS, then you add, then you close. So as you can see, my stations are here now, and this one should have they should have the station names. So have the, now you can play around the way you want. Maybe you don't want the yellow color. I can use the I think the yellow looked good. It's that here. I can just use the red. Then you need the size. I want to make it a bit smaller. I can use maybe 2.4 there. Then the labels. You come into the labels. We need to give it a label. Show label for this layer. We call it stations. Then the style, the color to be black. That's okay. Then you say okay after you apply. So they've been named and the color is still there. Then I think the stations are the size is still big, so you can play around the way you want. Maybe I can put one. I'm still thinking the yellow one looked much better. Let's see. Yeah, so it appears to be more faint. So what you do, you just play around the way you want. So I've loaded my stations, the ones that I worked on. So this shows the area that I worked on. So yeah, that's all about it. That's how you georeference for your map to be worked, for you to be able to work on your map in QGIS. Thank you so much for watching. You can hit the subscribe button or like my video. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment section or any comment. Thank you for watching.